long story short, to get ready for chapter 10, our chapter 10, which you're going to see kind of what's coming in the last examples that we do. We're just going to do practice problems because I didn't have time to get everything ready for today, and that's okay. So Sam is at the computer. The kiddos are looking at the problems. They are going to feed him an answer. Hopefully they will agree on an answer. Then we'll see if we get it right. If you get so many right in a row, then you can progress to the next examples. Oh, on this. Perfect. And wait, is my phone plugged in? It is, right?
Yes, it is.
Sam, can you make sure the volume is turned up just in case someone's right?
This one?
Yeah. Turn all the way up. Okay. Alright, cool kids, you better start talking. Because this one you should have already been done with.
Hey! I did.
Are we going for it? Woo! Look, you get confetti. Go team.
I don't want confetti. I want money. Give me money. One. What are we supposed to be saying?
No, this is sequence.
What is this? Sequence, not series.
Hold up.
N squared. No,
It's been
Q.
over two.
No, it's 1
1/2.
or 2.
It's 1/2.
Are you sure?
Probably not.
I'm good.
Give a reason why. Ah, because the degrees match.
Yeah, N squared and N squared, but I don't know if the coefficient of N cubed would be.
But,
It doesn't matter.
because all the ends at the beginning, yeah, it'd be 1, 1, 1, 1.
Oh, that's true.
Alright, go.
What?
Which sequences converge? The middle one. Nope.
It's not all.
Middle one goes to.
No, middle one. Yeah.
It's just 0.
No, the middle one goes to
The bottom one goes-
infinity.
Oh, is it asking? Is it asking?
This
to
is
go to
sequence, not
infinity?
series.
No, but is it saying the limit as it approaches infinity equals a number? Or
Yeah.
is it saying-
That is converge. And the middle one does not.
Middle one converges to 0.
Oh.
And the bottom
All
converges to 0.
converges to 0. And the top is not. E and C. E sub n and C sub n. A sub n and B sub n.
I saw it in the series thing in front of it now.
That one's 2/3, that one's 3/2, and that one is infinity.
So-
A and B. Right?
No. The last one converges.
Oh, no, it's
3/2.
Diverge.
2/3 and then 3/2.
Diverge because the top is bigger. So the first and third.
But they grow at a
Power
constant rate.
I don't know.
Because-
Is it like, what is it, the geotest?
But this is sequences, not series.
Yeah, the first one's just one of the special limits. Remember?
A and B.
A to the n.
Guys, it's our last
converges
one. We
to
better get it right.
I'm going A and B.
No.
A and B. It's
Say it now.
Just
It's A and C.
C goes to infinity.
No, it doesn't.
C does go to infinity.
Yeah.
Think about it. It's n plus 1.
It's n
It
plus
just
1
it's just
times
showing
factorial.
it's just showing n plus 1
No,
in
it
different
does go to
way.
infinity because the n factorial cancel out. And, A.
I'm saying.
Why isn't B?
Why 3 over 2 is greater than 1.
But this is
It's 1.5 to the n.
it's sequences.
1.5 to the infinity is what is it?
As n goes to infinity.
If r is greater than 1, then the terms get bigger. The series diverges too, but the sequence does.
Sequence divergence?
Yeah.
I like that noise.
Now, onward is actually the second tab. So go to the second tab. There you go.
Oh.
Oh no, it's telescope.
Oh, I think you need to show work on this one.
Oh no.
Can we go to the boards?
How do you see the partial fractions? Wait, partial fractions? How do you see partial
No.
No, you have to.
We have to factor.
Yep.
So it multiplies with negative 12 and adds with 4. Yeah,
Pause!
6.
Go to the boards. You guys aren't showing any work.
Jesus.
Why would I show work?
Or if
What's
you're doing
the
your notebook, you
words?
stay in your seats.
Alright.
Wait, where's the smelly
I don't know
ones?
how to do the way of doing these fast on the bottom.
Thumb rule.
Well, you have to factor first.
No, yeah, the factory.
Oh, it's
It's only a fast when it's not just n squared. When it's 4n squared, and then I have to do the 2, and then I have to separate them.
the product of 8.
I like to guess and check.
I know, but it doesn't make sense to me.
Okay, then multiply 4 times negative 3.
Yeah, and then just do 12 and then split it up.
Yeah.
So
Which you can kind of do mental math wise, but.
It has to be negative.
Add
So
the-
negative
Positive.
2 plus.
Oh,
Eight
negative
and
4.
I mean,
Eight and
no,
4.
negative 2.
So x minus
6.
2 and x
And
plus 6.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 and 3 and 2.
No, what
Minus 3.
multiplies?
Oh, no,
add
minus.
12.
Oh, positive 3.
Six is
Minus 1.
2.
Yeah.
Negative
Negative
2.
2 and positive 6.
There you go.
Minus 2 and x plus 6.
So what can we say from 6 and 2?
This is about
We can say that in our foiling, we need to somehow get 6 and 2. So Amanda, this is
Oh,
because if we need 6 and 2,
it's really hard
we
to
know
do
that we
only
need
with,
a
like,
3 and a 1, right? For the last term.
and 2 and 2.
Oh, wait, what?
Can we screw
For
it?
the last term, don't we know we need the last to multiply to be 3?
Oh,
Does that make sense?
so it's always the last term.
You okay? The last term has to have factors in the last place.
Oh.
The first term has to have factors in the first place. So then you know you need 6 and 2, right? Well, I have a 3, so I must have a 2 here, and then that's my 6, and here's my 2. Yeah, with foiling. So if you can connect that way and not have to do grouping, that'll save you time. Because the 6 is positive and the 2 is negative, right?
So you did it.
2n minus 1 and 2n plus 3.
Yes, I got that too.
Alright, then we have to do thumb rule. I'm not down. So
Just pull the 4 out onto the outside of the sigma and make it like
Yeah, I pull the 4 out too.
we have to do thumb rule.
positive 1/3.
Wait, did anybody do thumb rule?
1/3 and negative 1/4.
What?
So what I
This one is
understand
1/2.
cover this with
So cover that.
So wait,
2 times 1/2 is 1 plus 3 is 4.
And 4 over 4 is,
what?
unless you pull the 4 out.
I pulled 4.
I pulled the 4 out, so it's 1/4 plus negative 1/4.
No, it's- yeah.
And then the 0 of the other factor would be negative 3 halves, right?
I'm just gonna multiply the 4 in now,
2 times negative 3 halves is negative 3, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4.
and then 1 over 2n minus 1.
So 4 over negative 4 is negative 1. Amanda, do you want to see it? Are you able to follow?
Yep.
Were you able to follow?
Sort of. I was like thinking about the zeros and then. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing.
Okay, so when you have your factors, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this 0 is 1
well,
half.
It's 1 over 2 and minus 1.
So they plugged in 1 half and
So
saw that 2 times 1 half is 1.
2
1 plus 3 is 4. 4 over 4 is 1.
And then
So for the
Minus
guy I
1 over
covered,
2
he gets the 1.
Okay.
Covered, his 0 is negative 3 halves. So plug in negative 3 halves, 2 cancels. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. 4 over negative 4 is negative 1. Does that make sense?
But now I actually plug it into the fun part.
So 1 and 1 and 1 over 3 can be 4/3.
So, what's the answer?
Is it minus?
They're still working.
Or minus the limit?
I just foil it out. Or I like write it out. It's easier than foiling this stuff. Because it is going to tell us if you want that's weird. And there might be 2 terms instead of just 1.
I think it's minus. Yeah, it's minus. It's 4/3.
Okay, 4/3. Trust it. Go.
What? It is?
Oh, Steve! That was cruel. Scary.
Alright, Sam, if you can have it.
What?
Plug it in, plug
Come on.
2/3. You did it, guys.
Woo! That's it.
That was a well earned one.
Next question.
Divergence.
Wait,
Oh,
why is
wait,
there
what?
a reference?
Fine.
Plug in 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, right?
That's one way.
What's
Or you can
5 to
use-
the
25
power?
plus 3 times
So 25 plus the sum of
5,
3
6.
What is the for
2,
reference?
3.
Oh,
9,
Remember the special
9 times
sum
5.
formula from when we learned how to
9
do
times
integral
5, 45. 45, 25. 70.
just split the sum up.
70. 70.
You can do 3 times the sum of k plus the sum of 5. Or you could just, we'll see who wins. Gerardo's doing it the formula way. You guys can do it by plugging in and solving it.
Let's let Gerardo do it.
That's not fun.
1 to 5. If you're doing the sum to 5, it's just 5 times 5, right? So it's
5 times n.
yeah.
You got something?
It was 45 plus 25.
I got something. Plus 20. Yeah, go Simos. 70.
I miss those special sum formulas.
I know, I thought they were fun too, little puzzles.
Seriously, we're
Alright, we're done. Now we can take
Ta-da! Okay, now go to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
PDF in the bottom.
We haven't got a single one wrong.
Ha
Good
ha.
job, guys.
Now, hold on. How are you going to check your answers? Sam, do you see the picture with the mountaintops in the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! There they
Yep.
are. But you can't see them yet.
What do we do?
Solve it.
Solve them.
All of them? Can we go?
I don't know, whichever ones you can. You have to figure out which ones you can and which ones you can't. Because this is practice on series, vectors, parametrics, and polar. So some things are going to be from our chapter 10, and some things are going to be from our chapter 11. Let's see if you can figure out which ones you can do.
C converges. I remember that one being on the test.
Alright.
But
Wait,
if
no,
you
no,
only
no.
one.
Yeah, so C. What is
B.
B diverges.
limit n term test? E equals 5, 7.
Series, not sequence. 5/7 is greater than 0.
The n term
The
test.
limit as
N approaches infinity of 5n plus 7 plus 7n plus 5 equals 5, 7.
got it. Never mind.
So we know something.
No,
Toronto says C, then let's go with C.
no, because
Remember, we
That
can
was
do limit
alternating
comparison
series.
less than 1.
Alright, then D, let's go with
I
D.
don't know exactly.
I think you were thinking sequence. I think that's what you were thinking.
Yeah.
It's a common mistake.
that would be a
Just compare.
1 over whatever answer would be bigger and it converges, so D converges.
D. So somebody write down D. I'll write down D.
Yeah, because if you compare it to 1 over n squared is bigger. Wait,
I was looking at it.
Okay, which of the following sequences diverge?
and a C or D.
On the next one.
That didn't show one.
Yeah, integral test for C. That's what I would do.
What? Which we have?
Yeah, I don't know what number we're on. I'm just.
Right. So
Oh, they're on the
60,
choice problem.
67.
A diverges because nth term test, right? B diverges nth term test. C, I would do either integral test or maybe limit comparison test.
Gerardo did a quick evaluation of comparing something with that with D. He says that D wins.
I don't know because
So
I
I'm
forgot
going
the
with D.
I forgot the cube root. So is 1 over n squared smaller or smaller than 1 n squared plus 1 cube root?
Couldn't you compare it to
Limit
1 over
comparison.
n to the 2/3?
Yeah.
Which diverges,
Diverges, so this diverges.
Okay.
right? Because
C.
that would be 1.
C.
Which of the following sequences diverge? I don't really know how to do divergence.
2 over 2 plus 1 is less than 1.
Sequence has to either oscillate, right, for sequence, either oscillate or go to infinity to diverge.
C does not diverge.
Why doesn't C diverge?
Because it's 2.18.
Yeah, the bottom one.
Which means that D has to be on the top of it.
No.
Oh no, that's the end, sorry.
Bottom. E goes to infinity.
Yeah. So,
Or diverges.
but what about B?
Well, E goes to infinity. It can only be one.
You know, B.
It can only be one, right? Isn't this multiple choice?
So
So
that's like,
if we know that E.
oh, but it's oscillating to 0.
Yeah, it's oscillating zero.
So the following series diverge. Okay, but how many of them are there? There's 5 of us. Okay, Amanda, you got A. Jackie, you got B. I'll do C. Gerardo, you go D. Amanda, you go E.
Woo! Go team!
Tell us your conclusion.
Yeah, no. E is the same thing as so I feel like if G and E are the same thing, then it must be C. You said you think there's divergence.
I did the integral test. I got infinity minus 2. But
Yeah.
Let's see.
that's my math is wrong.
What's smaller than ln of n over 2 at the end? Would that be just 2 at the end?
Smaller, that would be. But
Be smaller. All right. 1 over 2 at the end converges. No, no, no.
I was trying to do this and then we compare it to the smaller compared to the
It has to be bigger because we're just smaller. Oh wait.
whatever works for yours is gonna work for mine.
1 over n, is that smaller or bigger than that?
Yours equals 0.
Oh no.
You have to struggle though, guys. They give you this as one question and you have 5 to
Just do the root test on E.
I did the ratio test.
Yeah, the root test would be 1 over, it's 1 over 2, which is less than 1 squared.
It's not 1 over 2, isn't it?
It's n to the 1
Oh,
over
you mean
n.
the limit.
Yeah.
Oh, you can limit. Let's go with so I'm saying C diverges.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
It's ridiculous.
Can you scroll down? Sam? Scroll down.
Misty, wait, hold on. Misty, how would you do D? Like,
More?
It's E. Sorry. For the next one.
Yes.
Are you sure?
No,
Yeah,
E-
because isn't that our
No, it's not.
I
It's
think
1
we'll
over,
go to E.
it doesn't go to E, because if it was E, it's 1 plus 1 over.
isn't that one of our forevers?
It's I think it's the x, the x over n equals
All the way to the.
not e to the negative. I think.
But it's -1 instead of
No, but it has to have it to the. It's parentheses to the.
Oh, the n has to be on the outside. That's what they're trying to say.
It'd be. What is E, Misty? It's 1 plus x over n to the x.
1 plus 1 over n. E to the 1 is 1 plus 1 over n all to the n.
What's E to the x?
1 plus x over n all to the n.
then wouldn't this eventually converge to 1?
I think the first one. Yeah, C. So 4 is C. Some of the series is
Why is it? Oh, it's a sequence. That's fine. That converges to 1.
times 1/2. It converges.
Yeah, if it was a series, it would diverge by nth term.
What I'm doing, CC71?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so it's geoseries, r equals 1/2, negative 1/2, right? Right, r equals negative 1/2,
And then the first.
2, 1 over.
Oh wait, yeah. Never mind.
3 halves, 2. So, I got 4/3.
2 divided by
2 divided by 3 halves, flip it 4/3, right?
3 halves.
1 plus negative
Oh, yeah.
1/2,
Yeah.
or 1 minus negative 1/2. So I'm getting 4/3.
Yeah.
Alright, so wait, how far are we going this team?
And so you can't go anywhere.
Well, I did, that was number 1.
We can't do it.
So then skip it and move on. But why can't you do it?
There's Taylor series.
Is that something we haven't learned yet?
Yeah.
Chapter 10.
Yeah, parametric equations. You want us to
can't
do
do
that?
Yeah, we can.
We can if you want us to.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, you do it.
How can you? Talk it out. Just
X prime to
aim it.
It's y prime to 1.
10, yeah, that's what it says.
And then you plug in 10.
Where? So y prime over x prime?
Because that's dy dx, which is slope of the tangent line, right?
So 2t
Five
is
over
5 over 3t squared plus 2 and then plug in 10.
Wait a minute. Oh, you have to plug in a 10 comma something. Because it's in terms of x and y.
Okay, plug in sin t equals this cube plus 10 cubed, 1000 plus 2000, 2 plug that into.
It's giving us x though, not t.
No, if you plug in, oh, I see what you're saying. So we solve for t and then plug it into the y. Alright, so.
Hopefully
so
the
10
y
minus
prime.
2 cube root of 8, or yeah,
2.
cube root of 8 is 2, plug in 2 to the t. 4 minus 20, right? Is negative 16. Wow, rough. Our point is 10, negative 16.
2 squared is 4. 4 minus.
Well, no, because we don't want a y. We don't want x or y. We want t. So if say 10 equals t cubed plus 2, then solve for t.
We got t equals 2.
No. When we're doing it, when we plug into the derivative limit, we plug in an x and a y.
So we,
Can we plug in t?
but we need
Why
the
we have
t,
t
we
as a
need the
variable?
t to find the y.
Oh, we do plug in.
We don't care about the y.
Yeah, okay, so t equals 2. Plug in. I don't know what we're plugging into to do it.
We're plugging into 2t minus 5 over 3t squared plus 2.
Oh, wait.
That's the slope of the tangent line.
X equals 10 at where?
We have to solve for t.
Okay, so
I got
2. At 2.
What?
T at x equals 10 and t equals 2.
If I plug in 10 to the x equals
It's cube
subtract
root of
2.
8.
2t minus 5 over
No, I see.
3t cubed squared at 2. 4 minus 5
I'm
is
switching off for guys' answers just like
4 times 3 is 12.
negative 12,
Negative 112.
negative 1. D. Sam, scroll down. Our good sap. Really appreciate it.
What the heck? I'll ask Google.
Can we do like that?
You can do retest. Yeah, I would retest. Three. Less than 1. If you multiply by 90, you have to switch this to the thing, right? Less than or equal to sign. What's negative equals 2? Negative 1? Alright. For all x is greater than negative 1. And. Shite.
Glad you got the negative 1 part.
Dang.
Less than or equal to, yes?
No, greater than. Because when you multiply it by a negative, you have to switch to it.
Okay, we're gonna be wrong. Unless it's all real numbers, which you can't be using.
No. What I did is,
I want your answer. What is it? Negative 1? X is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to?
greater than negative 1.
Okay. Greater than alone. So it can't be B.
It's not A, B, or
E. And it can't be A. So it's either C or D.
Well, we'll just plug in 5 and see if it works. 5 minus 2 is
3 to the n.
3 n.
Negative 3 positive. Would be 1 over n.
It would be negative 1 over
And
n.
1 over n goes to divergence, so it can't be 5. So D, move.
1 over n goes to 0. You waste it.
When we plug in 5, we're going to get 5 minus 2 to the n, which is 3 to the n. 3 to the n over negative 3 to the n, those will cancel. So we get left with a negative 1 over n, right?
Yeah.
At divergence.
So it's d.
So it's gotta be, right? I hope we're not wrong. So, I mean, honestly, guys, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, so please chime in if you do it wrong.
That's right. You're good. Good
The area enclosed by the graph R equals 5 cosine of theta is.
Ho!
So they want us to integrate.
Yeah.
We can't.
No.
On to the next
You
one.
can't. Which one can't you?
Integrate R equals 5 cosine of theta. Can we do that?
No.
No, you don't know how to do polar area. That's chapter 11.
I'm glad.
It's an adventure.
So pessimistic. That
Because I don't
sounds
know
so
how to-
Okay,
fun.
it's just a joke. Anyway, Sam, scroll down. We're done. Look at punishment over.
Oh.
Position vector of a particle. No, polar, boom! Can't do it. Polar, keep going.
It's parametric.
R.
No, it's technically a velocity vector. You can skip it.
Yes.
You can skip it. That's chapter 11 too.
Yes.
Alright.
What the heck?
This is sequence
Equals 0.
always.
The limit of E does not diverge to
It's none of the above are always true.
Oh,
yeah.
Because that tells us nothing.
Yeah.
We know nothing from the limit.
That is just speed.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it might converge, it might diverge. It might be 0, it might not be 0, it might
Well,
be positive.
we know it's, yeah, so it's,
Are you guys numbering these? I'm not.
Taylor, we can't do that. Scroll down.
Last one, 679.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Well,
Your turn again.
If and only if.
Oh, wait. It seems to be a.
1 over n plus 1.
No, it's.
Doesn't.
X times 1 over n plus 1.
It's B. Or it might be A. No, it's A. Because in order for something to have
It's
power
A.
to converge,
Yeah.
it has to be between 1 and negative 1.
Yeah.
And I think it's can't be 1 or negative.
Alright,
Yeah.
let's check our answer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So C
C.
was good.
Yay.
E, C.
C.
Dang it.
C.
It's E, C, E, C. I got C.
A.
Yeah, we're good so far.
Well, 6 we didn't know.
73, D,
D.
74,
C.
Wait, slow down, guys. Okay,
Which
so
ones did we not do?
We didn't do 6. Well,
That's the last one.
What? C. What the?
A.
So that's 74 and 79.
D. 8 should be C, right?
Okay,
Right,
so
we should have done
74 and 79.
74 and 79. Which ones are those?
The one we just did, so I don't know what 79 is trying to say then.
I just gotta put my work here.
Alright.
It's going so fast.
Stem, would you click back onto the thing?
Yeah.
Which one we can go to?
Okay,
Which
so
one?
C.
74 and 79.
Well, this was the one that we guessed.
So that includes
What did we
5.
get? C? Yeah, that doesn't include 5. I guess one.
Which number is it?
C.
1674.
Oh, because you said 1 over n diverge. Oh, no. Yeah, it does.
Negative
Wait.
1 over n diverges.
Should not be divided over n, should be divided over I mean, it's this one.
Oh,
got it.
shh!
Yeah,
Jackie's the one that's good at like mental math. I don't know why we're trying to do this.
Yeah, he's right. It's wait.
Why is it that?
Less than 0 converges.
Okay.
Because what?
Oh, I made it first try.
Here, is n times negative root of n.
So you
Times CI.
So when you take the limit to infinity of quantity to the 1 over n power, the bottom goes out and it leaves negative 1 over root n the n, n through.
Alright. I trust you. I don't know.
So yeah, so that cancels
Alright,
out.
so
The
that
3's
makes sense.
cancel.
Let's go back down to
Sorry.
the last one. 10.
So it's
Oops.
Okay.
Thanks,
So this one apparently -1 is included. I'm not sure why.
3, 1, x,
So C.
Let's see, yeah. But I don't know why -1 can be included, but 1 can't.
Well, do we know what the series is?
Yeah, it shows up.
No, like what's the
Try plugging in -1. What happens?
negative 1?
Oh, they all turn positive. Well, that doesn't help us because then
If you turn it, if you plug in a -1.
If you put it in positive.
Oh, yeah, because there's
And it alternates, and what are the terms doing?
It's not.
Decreasing to 0. Isn't that the definition of a converging alternating series? Does that make sense? Why doesn't positive one work?
So it just
Plug in positive 1. What do you get? 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. Who is that?
1 over n.
1 over n. Does that converge?
Alright. Boom. We're done.
You get it? You